Hi, I'm Candied, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. So pound cakes, the classic recipe is an equal ratio of just 4 ingredients, be sugar, butter, eggs, and flour. An equal ratio of all of these 4 ingredients. However, there are many variations now. And so today, I'll show you how to make the lemon version with lemon zest and lemon juice. And it tastes fantastic. So ingredients, we have room temperature butter, sugar, eggs, flour and baking powder, lemon peel, lemon zest, and lemon juice. And this is fresh lemon juice. The key point in making pound cakes is that all your ingredients need to be at room temperature. If your ingredients are not at room temperature, it's likely that your batter will separate or split. And when I say room temperature, I mean somewhere around 20 to 22 degrees. We'll be using the creaming method, which means we'll be starting with room temperature butter, and you're going to mix in the sugar and make it creamy and mix it. And then we add in the rest of the ingredients such as eggs and flour. Right, so let's get into it. I'm first going to lightly beat the butter. Now the sugar. I'm not going to overbeat it or overmix it to the point where this mixture, this batter, becomes pale white. That's completely up to you if you want the overall texture to be kind of light, kind of a light pound cake. But personally, I don't like incorporating too much air. I've creamed the butter and sugar, and now the eggs need to go in. However, if you're worried about your batter splitting or separating when the eggs go in, I'll show you a trick here. I'm going to add in part of my dry ingredients, so about 1/3, mix that, and then add in the eggs. And that really helps because you have a lot of the dry ingredients already in there. It prevents your batter from splitting, and that's an amazing trick. I'm going to sift in 1/3 of my dry ingredients. I'm just going to eyeball it. Have you clicked like and subscribe? Now I'm going to add in the eggs, but don't pour all the eggs and mix them all in one, but just split it into about 3 or 4 stages. Now the rest of the dry ingredients go in. I've now mixed in my dry ingredients. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. You still see powder around it, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to mix them well later. It's time for the lemon goodies to go in, and that's lemon zest, lemon juice, and lemon peel. It's just lemon. So this is lemon peel, lemon zest, and this is fresh lemon juice. Right, now I'm going to mix it with my spatula. Just mix it until you feel that everything has been mixed well together and your batter looks smooth. Well, I'm going to use a piping bag because it's going to make my life so much easier. Well, the highlight of today's video is the silicone mold. It's a cube silicone mold of 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. It's a 5 centimeter cube. And it's absolutely amazing because, well, first of all, you don't need to grease it with butter, and that saves so much time. And secondly, the shape's so cute, it's the shape of a cube. So why not use it? Wow! I'm going to fill about half the height of the cube. So the piping's all done, and you can see that I filled in about half the height of the silicone mold. Now it's going to go in the oven. Action! Right, now that's straight out of the oven. It's hot, And so I'm going to give it a shock. So this releases the hot air that's trapped inside. And now, because it's a bit too hot and spongy and soft, I'll give it about 5 minutes and then take it out of the silica mold. Now I'm going to take this out of the silica mold. Look at that. Wow. It's amazing, you just don't have to grease the inside with butter. While it's still warm and hot, I'm going to dip it in sugar syrup. And this sugar syrup is 1 part sugar and 2 part water. So that means there's more water than sugar. And this is completely up to you. But by dipping it in sugar syrup, it keeps your pound cake moist. And I prefer it moist. You can either dip the whole pound cake or you can dip part of it. Now our lemon pound cake has completely cooled down. I'm going to apply lemon icing. Lemon icing requires just 2 ingredients. First of all, powdered sugar, and then fresh lemon juice, and that's it. I just have to mix them. Right, so that's done. I just have to brush them now on top of my lemon pound cakes. That's lemon icing done. We're almost there. So the final stage is this lemon pipette and some gold leaf on top. And this lemon pipette has lemon juice in it, and the lemon juice inside is a combination of lemon juice and sugar. Right, so that's our lemon pound cake done. They look fantastic. They're really cute because they're small and they look so tasty. And so I'm going to try one. So I'm going to squeeze out a bit of the lemon juice and give it a bite. The overall balance is fantastic because the lemon icing on top really reinforces that lemon flavor. And inside, I've used lemon zest, which really gives off that lemon aroma. And you also have that candied lemon peel. That's something that you can bite. And so I love the overall balance. And once you give it a bite, you immediately realize that it's lemon and it's lemon pound cake. I love it. I'm going to give it another bite. Really good, really good. And also it's small and cute, right? Why not make it? Thanks for watching my video on lemon pound cake. Well, hope it was useful and I'll see you again next time. 감사합니다.